By the year 2035, India's navy is set to transform into a maritime giant. With more than 200 warships and submarines in its arsenal, India is preparing to dominate the Indian Ocean. Imagine, stealth destroyers that can vanish like shadows, and nuclear-powered submarines silently guarding the deep seas. This expansion isn't just about defense, it's about securing vital trade routes, protecting over 1 billion citizens, and countering powerful rivals in the region. The world is watching closely, because by 2035, India's navy will not just sail the seas, it will command them.